This is my deep dive into the context and meaning of sunflower seeds. Ai Weiwei often uses art to critique political and economic injustice. This can be seen in his work, such as his 2010 installation, Sunflower Seeds. The installation consists of more than 100 million tiny, handmade porcelain sunflower seeds, originally weighing in at 150 tons. Sunflower Seeds evokes a warm personal memory for the artist, who recalls that while he was growing up, even the poorest in China would share sunflower seeds as a treat among friends. Ai Weiwei grew up very poor due to his father's exile, and so the times he got to share joy with his friends was very important to him. The use of sunflower seeds as the basis of an installation was designed to represent poverty rooted in the artist's childhood. Additionally to this, communist propaganda typically depicted leader Mao Zedong as the sun, and the citizens of the People's Republic of China as sunflowers, and so the use of sunflower seeds elicits a bit of irony. Ai Weiwei reasserts the sunflower seed as a symbol of friendship and unity during difficult times. Though each of the 100 million carefully crafted individual seeds can draw the viewer's attention, once arranged together to cover up the floor of an entire room, the hyper-realistic seeds create a sense of vastness. As you can see in the image on the right, you can look at each seed up close, and they're very beautiful. But once put together in the picture on the left, in the big, vast pile, you lose their individuality. The individual seed is lost among the millions, a critic of the conformity and censorship inherent in modern China. This raised the attention of the Chinese government, and it is widely believed that his criticism of Chinese censorship and conformity is one of the main reasons he was arrested shortly after finishing Sunflower Seeds. Furthermore, the installation challenges mass production and the idea of made in China. The seeds are made from porcelain, a prized material in China that also has cultural value to it. Ai Weiwei could have chosen to mass-produce the seeds using machines and plastic, but instead they're handmade because Ai Weiwei valued the handmade objects and didn't want to add more to the idea of made in China. More than 1,600 artisans worked to make the handmade individual porcelain seeds in the city known as the Porcelain Capital, where artists have been producing pottery for nearly 2,000 years. Utilizing skilled artisans known for their exquisite craftsmanship to make objects that can only be differentiated from one another upon close inspection alludes to the importance of porcelain tradition as well as to the uniformity and diffusion of cheap and fast labor that is responsible for mass productions and China's place in the economy. Sunflower Seeds highlights consumerism, poverty, unity, conformity, friendship, censorship, and all in one piece. For this reason, it is clear that Sunflower Seeds has earned its place as Ai Weiwei's best masterpiece.